survival thing. In BSc, we are talking today hardcore survival thing in human and predictions of the human that contain this type of the thing. That contain these types of thing is known as the ones of the highest to be as a confirm to you. Confirm to you, you have to be as a here to your close your ear. Like these things. The here to be close your ear like that. Get it? I am telling you a joke. But the thing we are talking today is a scientific method. And that scientific method is known as the apple. Well, how was it wrong? No, it was not wrong. Who said it had? I sound funny. But the thing as we are talking today is a pronunciation of your tongue. And this is our last chapter, so you better be careful, okay? Better be careful. But the thing that we have been consuming for a long time is get as complicated as you want in the human BSc hardcore survival world. So you get only one chance, like in the real life. But if you get a normal hearts, then you will respond. You can do that, but in a hardcore, you will never. No, you will never can do that. So these are the ones of the most applicable thing that can be as a representative to be as a significant way that can cause the ones of the human get rid of the single player to be as a multiplayer. It can do that. It has the capacity to do that. You may join my server. So like this thing. So coordinate will be as a so good to be as a join this thing and TP to there. And if you TP to there, then you will get a once of the scientific way. And scientific way mean I am trying to say you to get the thing in their way. And sometimes the thing can be as a go to their way and does not matter to us. It does not matter to us how does it go as the good and the good. And sorry for the sweat, it's 120 degrees out there today. So what a thing that we are talking, what a jerk nerd. Like these things. So these are the ones of the complicated. And due to their work, due to their significance, due to their partification, you have to be able to get me right because I am telling you right in this time. So these are the ones of the coordinate you have to be learned. I hope you can understand that. All of the things, have a doubt, comment. Haven't followed me at Instagram, at Facebook, and at Twitter. What are you waiting? Follow. Thank you.